Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 17th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of Friday. And on Friday, the US dollar came in number one, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar, it didn't really do a whole lot on Friday. I'm still looking at this as most likely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, A, 3 up, and I still think this is most likely a wave C. Now, with all the news that we got this week, I wouldn't be surprised if it did actually make another push down, maybe run down for one of these lower fibs. I'm still looking at it as an ABC, so I still think that it will bounce off one of these two Fibonacci levels and most likely continue the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we do have a break of structure right here, so you might want to be careful. It could possibly just keep on trending up from here. But like I said, with the big news we got this week, it's probably more likely that this is going to be an ABC correction. Probably end up doing something like this. Maybe then go down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels before it actually does continue the uptrend, breaking structure and confirming that it is a wave C and that we really are continuing the uptrend, which I still suspect is going to be a big wave 3 on the much, much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and take a look at my new website linked to the left of this video down here. So thanks and happy trading.